Class 7, Subject English, Lecture number is 26, page number 106, topic is Lesson number 16, Exercise, Comprehension and Vocabulary. Part A, make sentences of the given words and phrases. First column is for words and phrases and the second column is for sentences. First word is afford. Afford means किसी चीज़ की इस्तात रखना. I do not afford to buy a new house for my family. मैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए, ख़ानदान के लिए नया घर ख़रीद नहीं सकता, अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता, उसकी इस्तात नहीं रखता. Recently, my friend recently visited Lahore to see the historical buildings. My friend recently visited Lahore to see the historical buildings. Third word is continually. Continually mean वक्फे के साथ जारी रहना. It has been raining continually since yesterday. It has been raining continually since yesterday. Next word is expensive. Expensive mean महंगे. She wore expensive jewelry and dresses in the party. She wore expensive jewelry and dresses in the party. Next word is refuse. The rich man refused to help the poor relatives. Refuse mean इनकार करना. The rich man refused to help the poor relatives. Next sixth word is enjoy. The students enjoyed a lot in their trip to northern areas. The students enjoyed a lot in their trips to northern area. Seventh word is interest. इंटरेस्ट के दो मीनिंग्स हैं, एक दिलचस्पी और दूसरा है सूद. इंटरेस्ट इज़ फॉरबिडन इन इस्लाम. इस्लाम में सूद जो है वो ममनू है. इंटरेस्ट इज़ फॉरबिडन इन इस्लाम. एट्थ वर्ड इज स्कोन. स्कोन मीन किसी को हकारत से देखना. द प्राउड वोमेन looked at the poor and simple girls with scorn. The proud woman looked at the poor and simple girls with scorn. Next word is generous. Generous means sakhi hona. We should be generous to the poor and needy. We should be generous to the poor and the needy. Next word is agreed. इत्तफाक करना. The two parties agreed to solve the basic issues. Issues mean problems, disputes. Basic mean बुनियादी. The two parties agreed to solve the basic issues. दोनों पार्टियों ने बुनियादी इश्यूज या मसाइल को हल करने पर इत्तफाक किया. Next is make a fine show. शो ऑफ करना, दिखावा करना. He made a fine show of his status and wealth. He made a fine show of his status and wealth. उसने अपनी दौलत और रुतबे का दिखावा किया. Next is high rate of interest. बहुत ज़्यादा सूद. High rate of interest. Shylock demanded a high rate of interest. Shylock demanded a high rate of interest. Next word is phrase is showed no mercy. Showed no mercy. Some people are so hard-hearted that they show no mercy to others. Some people are so hard-hearted that they show no mercy to others. Next is seemed unwilling. Seemed unwilling. He seemed unwilling to attend the wedding. He seemed unwilling to attend the wedding. Kind offer. His kind offer convinced me to accept the proposal. Kind offer किसको कहेंगे? एक बहुत अच्छी ऑफर. His kind offer convinced me. Convince करना, किसी को कायल कर लेना. His kind offer convinced me to accept the proposal. Proposal किसको कहते हैं? तजवीज़ को, किसी मंसूबे को. His kind offer convinced me to accept the proposal. Next is treated the matter as a joke. Treated the matter as a joke. Antonio treated the matter as a joke and gave no remarks. Remarks mean comments. और उसने उसके बारे में कोई remarks नहीं दिए. Antonio treated the matter as a joke and gave no remarks. This is all about part A of the exercise lesson number 16.